From little kids to adults, mostly all love rasgullas, especially during Navratris, a very fine dessert to offer your deity. Hello friends, welcome you back on my channel Simply Dhruv with one more simple and delicious recipe. Let's get started. First we will prepare fresh paneer for this recipe. This part is also requested by my friends to make fresh paneer at home. Let's begin. Take 4 cups of milk, means 1 liter of milk. I have bought this full fat milk from Mariano's, which I think is better to make fresh paneer or curd. You can also use low fat milk. Keep this milk on medium heat and bring it to boil. In the meantime, take 1 lemon and we will press out its juice. You can also use white vinegar instead of a lemon. The acidic nature of lemon helps to break down the milk. After the milk is boiled, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add lemon juice little by little. Stir it as you add the lemon juice. The milk breaks down and we get fresh, smooth Indian cottage cheese. Now we will strain this cottage cheese. Either use a cheesecloth, muslin cloth or cotton cloth. Here I am using a new washed cotton cloth or handkerchief belonged to my husband. Add some fresh water so that the sour taste of lemon is washed out. Now I will strain the water completely and tie a knot and hang this a little over for 1 hour so that the water drains out completely. Our fresh paneer is ready to be used. Look at this soft ball of cheese. Let us first measure this. In 1 liter of milk, we can prepare 4.55 oz of cottage cheese, that is about 129 grams. Now we will move on to prepare the fresh rasgullas. First we will gently loosen our paneer and then with the wrist palm of our hand we will gently press and knead. Do not apply too much of force. We have to bring this all together in smooth texture. This is how it should look, soft, smooth. If you further knead it, it will start to give out buttery texture, which you do not want for this recipe. Now make equal size small parts. We will press it in our palms to make evenly textured balls. Using this amount of paneer, we can make about 17 to 18 medium size rasgullas. After our balls are ready, we will use 1 to 1.5 cup of sugar and dissolve it in equal amount of water. We do not have to make sugar syrup. Bring this water to boil and add these balls slowly in the sweet water. On slow heat, cover and cook these paneer balls for 10 to 15 minutes. If the water turns into syrup, add quarter cup of hot water if required. Look, after about 10 minutes, the balls are almost double in size. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Take this out in another bowl and let us add some saffron strands. It just looks lovely. It is almost ready. However, we have to cool it completely. For this, I have placed the bowl for 1 hour in my fridge. After 1 hour, these balls of happiness are ready. They are so soft, so tasty and delicious. The sweetness is just perfect, and it is perfect to offer and serve. Hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching. See you again.